Alright guys, who do we have here?
Gary.
What are we doing today?
We're getting ready to jump.
I'm at a perfect good airplane. You guys must be crazy. And this is your second time. Alright. Take you up 10,000 feet, throw you out, get you down under parachute. You ready for it?
Yes, sir.
Let's go do it. Woo!
Yeah, right. You ready to get in, get up, get out of the airplane, go out to fun the Skydive?
We are.
Let's
Let's do it.
go. Big right turn. So pull all the way down.
On the right?
Yep. There you go.
Woo!
Alright, now let's go left. As hard as you can left. That's all you.
Woo! Love it!
You're natural. Alright guys, you just jumped out of an airplane. How you feeling?
Great. Absolutely love it.
Heck yeah. What was your favorite part?
What's that?
What was your favorite part?
All of it. I love flipping when you come out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Great. Would you do it again? Come back for a third?
Absolutely.
That's what we like to hear. Thanks for jumping with us, guys.
Yeah.
Woo!